Okay, here's a quick setup for the email. I know email forms have been a problem with Nice Page, and unless you're a coder, it takes some working out. So what I've done is I've just put this together, a little video here to put it together so that just show you how to quickly add a contact form to your page, and it's very quick, works, and uh, hopefully you can follow it through. So what I'll do is no mucking around. I don't care if you subscribe or you don't subscribe. I don't even know if I've got subscribe set up. I'm not very good at this, so you'll have to bear with me a little bit. But anyway, what we'll do is, all right, what we're going to do is, okay, I was trying to put a form in here for the using their elements and put a form in there, and there was no way I could get it to work. So what I did was I could put the form back in there, but I'm changing my page around a little bit. So for this, what I'll do is show you what I've done. Um, I'll go to where I put my new form in. Okay, now this form I set up, tested, um, actually got an email back, so it's all working. Working well, and this is this. You can find different ones, but what I'll show you is this was provided by these guys down here. I'll take you to their page in a second. Capture 4. Where you can find what you need, but what we'll do is we'll just set this up very quickly, and I'll show you. So you've got a new page open. So say you haven't got that there, but what you do is just run a new element. You want a HTML. All right, put your HTML element in there. Very simple. Leave that for the moment, because what we want to do is we want to go over to our page. Window capture, and okay, here's the web page that we can go to, which is these guys, freecontactform.com. Great to do it there. So quickest and easiest is just go to this page. Okay, and you have, okay, how to set it up. All right, there's 3 sections here, HTML section, which is what we want to copy. Now, easiest is for this one is when you're in here, don't worry about the HTML.com. We take it from, if I remember correctly. Actually, you can drop all this in. Seems like, what's his name? Nice Page will edit this for you. So copy and go back to our page here. And transition, and we're back on our page. Just do this, paste that in there. So paste out of there. And okay, there we have, for some reason we didn't get rid of that. Go back there. Yeah, let's go through, just do this again. Let's go down. Delete that. Delete that. enter HTML. We'll paste again, and we should, there we go. Okay, that's there, that's done. That's all you have to do on that page. That's your contact form set up on your Nice page. So now you don't have to do anything else in Nice page. So okay, let's flick back to our program page, and we want to go down to, we've got the HTML, now we want to grab, we've done the HTML, now we want to get the CS style. Now grab this, and what I do is copy this. So copy this complete. Okay. Copy. And head over to our head over to Visual Studio, and what you do there is just Visual Studio is free, so just drop it in there, and you got, when you do this, just I've made this one already here, but create a new file. Just go File, New File, Paste. Okay. Then you want to save as. So save as. Now, you have to make sure that you save it. Let me get out of here, as that doesn't show up. But you have to make sure that you save it as the file transition. What's the file name back over here? It's this, where's this? CSS. Let me look. Okay, must be this file name. Make sure you save it exactly as that, as a CSS file, which is pretty simple, and the Visual Studio will save that for you, same as it's done here for me. I just said save. Don't save it. Wait, let me go back over to there. And okay, so save that there, and put it in your files, or save it in your, so that you know where it is. And then next step is we want to go back over, and we've got to create our next file, which is a PHP file, and again do exactly the same. This can be just saved in a text editor. Make sure you've got that exact name there. Contactform process PHP. You can do it on. You can do that back in. You can do that back in Visual Studio again. That's pretty easy. I'm learning Visual Studio too, but it's been easy to do what I wanted to do with it. So I'm not getting very technical with it. So okay, so you've got your PHP, your HTML copied in there. That's in your page. Now that's fine. So now go to, now what you want to do is, okay, so you've got this saved, so however you move your pages up, so if you're using FTP, whatever, so do a export from here, which is what I would do. Transition over, what I would do is, or how I do it is, okay, is do your export. I do it as a zip file. So export to your, wherever you're saving your folder, and then wherever your server is. So what we do next is we zip back over here and turn that off and turn that on. Transition over there, and we go to I'm using Hostinger, so I'm in there. What I do is then find import my files. Now, Hostinger won't import those files for you. Well, it didn't for me anyway. So what you do is, after you've imported your website, just go to your file manager. Being redirected, sorry. This is, okay. Get into your file manager. Okay, public HTML. And here we go. Now what you got to do is, if it check that that it was uploaded. If it's not, just upload the PHP file and the CSS file, which is here somewhere, Contactform CSS file. As long as they're in your public directory. So public HTML, as long as they're in there, you're set to go. So that's the setup there. The only thing you do have to remember is, while I'm thinking about it, is go back here. Oops. Don't want to do that. I want to open that again. We want to go over to here. Now, just remember to make sure that, I think it was, you'll see it when you, okay. When, what's he say? Okay, that's the HTML. Where's the CSS? Okay. In the PHP file here, make sure you put your email in there, and so the email you want it to go to, so admin your domain or whatever email you can put in your email, Gmail, any email, and this one you can change also is your, what do you want to call it? And there's also, I think down here, this message here, after you've sent the email, you can edit that one too. So if you want to edit that, but that's up to you. So then, that's basically it. So then you end up with, if you go to Drake iCafe, go to your website, go to contact. Okay, there's the form. We will throw that in and say it, D-O-E-S, it does work. It does work. And send your message. And there you go. We have it. We have that as it's been sent. So, okay. Now, what I'll do is I will drop over to my well, I'm sorry I left that on, but anyway, I dropped over to my email and it does work. There you go. Email is being received, and they were earlier tests that I tried before. So, there you go. I'm probably going to try and clean this up a little bit, but anyway, I hope it helps. Might help someone. Turn that off. And there you have it. That might save a lot of headaches for a few people at any rate. Take it easy, and maybe I'll find something else that I've had a lot of problems with and drop back and see if I can put something on here. Okay. Take care.